The majority of the time, a very pristine example of this note sells for about $500, but the bill I go over in this video sold for $38,187. I'm gonna give you a brief history and tell you what to look out for. So essentially, most people think these brown seal bills like this are completely fake, but that is not the case. If you come across one, hold on to it because it's really rare. So these overprinted bills date back to World War II. Essentially, these notes were produced after the attack on Pearl Harbor and were used as emergency currency on the Hawaiian island. These bills were distributed on July 15th, 1942, and a way to tell if you have one is you'll see a large black Hawaii overprint on the back of the bill, and you'll also see two smaller black Hawaii stamps on either side of the front. Now this bill here has some extreme rust and staining occurring on the bill. Something like this is going to sell for about 30 to 40 bucks. Now this bill right here was graded by PMGA 58 EPQ, meaning there's a hard bend or a fold somewhere on the bill, and this one sold for 435 bucks. Now this bill here sold for $38,187. So typically error notes like this one, it's hard to find them on older bills like this. So what happened here was the third and final print of this bill was accidentally fed into the feeder upside down, which caused this error to occur. Now if you have a $5 Hawaii note that's in good condition, it's going to be worth money, but if you have a $5 Hawaii note that's an error, you're in for a nice little treat because again, this note sold for $38,187. If you like videos like this, YouTube recommended a video above. They say you'll definitely enjoy that video, so click on the video and I'll see you inside.